Transform your Squarespace website into a booking powerhouse by seamlessly integrating Calendly. Let's dive right into connecting your Calendly scheduling tool to your Squarespace website, making appointment bookings a breeze for everyone. First, you'll need to grab your unique Calendly booking link. Head over to your Calendly account, navigate to your desired event type you want to embed, and click on the Share Your Link button. Copy this link. We'll need it shortly. Now, let's switch over to your Squarespace site in the editor. Decide where on your page you want your Calendly booking widget to appear. Click the Add Block option. From the list of available blocks, select the Embed block. This allows us to bring external content directly into your Squarespace page. In the Embed code field that appears, paste the Calendly booking link you copied earlier. Don't worry, Squarespace is smart enough to recognize this link and will convert it into your booking widget. You'll see your Calendly booking widget appear directly on your Squarespace page. You can then resize this block to fit perfectly within your layout, ensuring a clean and professional look. Once you save your changes and visit your live Squarespace site, visitors can now instantly book appointments with you directly through your website. It's that simple. This integration not only enhances user experience, but also significantly streamlines your appointment scheduling process, perfect for service providers, consultants, and anyone looking to make booking effortless. For more Squarespace tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe and happy booking!